In this question, we have to find which one of the following molecule is having one isopropyl group. So, if we take first example 2233 tetramethyl pentane, so this molecule 2233 tetramethyl pentane is not having any isopropyl group. So, A is not correct answer. If we take second molecule, option B, 2,2-dimethyl pentane, so pentane 5 carbon chain, second carbon is attached with 2-methyl group, so isopropyl group is not present in the molecule. Next example, if we take 2,2,3-trimethyl pentane, so 2,2,3-trimethyl pentane is not having any isopropyl group. In option C, in option D, 2-methyl pentane. Now this is isopropyl group, so isopropyl group is only present in option D, so correct answer is D.